Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain Diaras back with another weekly tech updates, and this time we got some really hot updates going from the different companies, and so let's get started. Starting off from the Apple iPhone SE 2022, iPhone SE Plus, whatever you want to call it up. This phone will be having the A15 chipset inside of it, which is a latest and the greatest one. Came with the iPhone 13 series, and many are also telling us that this phone will be adopting a size of the iPhone XR, or you can say the concept of the iPhone XR, or might be having the same design from the iPhone SE, the old variant. Let's see what we're gonna see. Chip shortage issues have been seen up now. Apple might be having some problems regarding that, and there are also some rumors that the next generation of the processor, which is the A16, won't be having the 4 nanometer things, and yeah, it would be happening to a lot of companies by the 2022-2023 Apple Notebook upgrade program, and this guy is having some really good things going on. If you are a businessman, this is gonna be a really great option now for you. Using for the MacBook M1 Series Max, and then this is gonna be a huge update. $30 a month, and there are some different types of options going on. You will get some different types of benefits from the business related things. So it's a really nice step taken from the Apple. Luna Display's latest update let you use your MacBook, or you can say the Mac series, as if a second PC display, which is a really great thing. Next news is coming from the Nothing company. If you know, they have launched the Earbuds 1, and this guy is having some pretty cool things going on, and a new color has been coming by the 13th December at a pricing of $90. It is known by the black color, only a deep black color. It's been going to be coming by the 13th December. So if you are waiting for the black color, it's gonna be coming soon. Samsung launches a 35-watt power adapter, which is having some really good things going on. Firstly, it is having the USB Type A and Type C both ports for the charging connectivity, which is a really nice thing. Samsung Galaxy S22 series will be coming soon, and we will be missing the Note series, and this guy would be having the pen support also, which was having the Note series, and this guy's displays has been sizes has been came up. S22 would be having 6.5 inches, and the S22 Plus would be having the 6.55 inches of display. The camera would be of 15 megapixel, but don't confirm yet which gonna be having that 15 megapixel. But yeah, it is also gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the latest and the greatest one. Google Pixel 6 series just got launched. If you hadn't watched that video, links are in the icon, you can check it out. Now Google is making its own in-house watch, and this would be coming by the 2022 first half or the second half, and they are also working on their very own chipset for the watch. So yeah, if you didn't know, that's the news, and it has been the first time Google's own watch with the Wear OS in it. Sony's drone, which is of $9,000, is now available for the pre-ordering. You can order it, and it's gonna be starting shipping from the 24th of December. Also, they have opened the order for the AirPic S1. Sony Xperia Pro I, imagination camera, 1-inch sensor, lot of things. Links up in the icon, you can check it out. This one gonna be available from the December, and the pricing has been leaked up that in France, Germany, it would be around $1,800. Pricing might be varies in that countries, and it's gonna be a costly phone as compared to the others. But if you are a camera geek, then you can check it out this one. Vivo Pad would be coming to launch by the 2022, and it is telling us that it won't be launching by the first half, powered by the Snapdragon 870 processor and 8100 mAh lithium-polyethylene battery. Vivo S12 Pro gonna be coming by the 108 megapixel triple camera setup for the rear side, and this guy will be also having a 15 megapixel OIS selfie, which gonna be a mind blaster thing going on, and this phone will be powered by the Dimensity 1200 processor. Honor 60 has been spotted on the Geekbench with the 778G Plus processor, and this guy is having 12 gigs of RAM in it, which is just mind-blowing thing. If you didn't know, Sonos is a very famous company in the market of the sound gears and that all stuff. They mentioned that mini subwoofer on its app which isn't announced or even spotted anywhere. So now it has been spotted by the company itself and soon gonna be launching. Tecno 18T has been came up and it is powered by the MediaTek G85 processor, 5000 mAh chosen polyethylene battery, 48 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera setup, and this gonna be around the pricing of the Indian converted price, 11,900 rupees. Motorola Edge X30. There are a lot of news regarding this smartphone. This phone will be having the 144Hz display, 10-bit display, HDR10 plus supported. This is gonna be having a punch hole, or you can say a in-display camera setup, which will be of 50 to 60 megapixel, which isn't confirmed yet. This is gonna be having a 108 megapixel rear camera, which is gonna be a mind-blowing thing, followed by a 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, which isn't confirmed anywhere. But this phone would be also having a curved display. Let's see, and it would be also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. You have seen a quad camera setup, right? A 5 camera setup, the smartphone Nokia 9 Pure View won't be having the Android 11 update. Yeah, the issues have been came up regarding the 12 megapixel camera setup for the smartphone. If you didn't know, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 has been came up and there are too many smartphones that are gonna be having that processor by the time. And here are some of the smartphones. Realme G2 series, or you can say the Realme G2 Pro will be having that. Xiaomi 12, Motorola Edge X30, then the Oppo's Reno 7 series. No, Oppo Reno 8 series gonna be having this. Then the Vivo X80 series gonna be having this processor. Also, there are rumors regarding the ROG 6 series. Gonna check out in a second. ROG 6 series gonna be having the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Followed by this phone will be having a different type of design, and there are some leaks that the display would be having a 12-bit support. 10-bit hadn't came up, 12-bit. This gonna be a pinch of salt type of news, but I want to tell you. Infinix inBook X1 gonna be launching by the December 8. The pricing telling us about roughly under 40,000, which would be having the Intel i5, i7, i3 series. Many things gonna be coming soon, so make sure to press the bell icon. HP became the #1 PC market in Q3 2021 in Europe, and this is a really great thing by the HP. I'm going to mention one smartphone which is going to be having the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the iQoo 9 series. This is going to be having coming by the 2022, the first half, and this is going to be also adopting the 120-watt wired charging. iQoo Neo 6 gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC, which is a chipset. So yeah, not a 888 Plus, and this is gonna be a budgetified smartphone, Neo 6. So that's round up for this video. This week the channel was kind of a silent, but this week, the next week, or you can say, gonna be some really things gonna be upcoming, and you won't be regretting watching it. So don't go anywhere, press the bell icon, and some deals are also there in the description. Check those out. By the way, this was Captain Diaz. This was the weekly tech updates. I'll catch you by the next week with another weekly tech updates. Peace out.